The Northern Cardinal, state bird of 7 of the United States. Striking, conspicuous, yet common, at least through the east of the United States, from Maine to Florida. Definitely ranges down into Mexico and a little bit of Canada, maybe north of New York, but it's not a migrant. Wherever the Northern Cardinal occurs, it's a year round species. They really like sunflower seeds. So if you're trying to attract them to your yard, try to add sunflower seeds to your feeder. They also like undergrowth and low shrubs for shelter and breeding areas. So if you can add some low vegetation to your landscape or allow a portion of your landscape to grow some natural shrub and scrub, you have a better chance of attracting northern cardinals. Northern cardinals may be one of the few species where both the male and the female sing, especially during the breeding season when the female will call or sing from the nest a more complicated song and sing longer than the male. The Northern Cardinal is credited for getting most people to open up a field guide. They see a beautiful bird in a striking red color they can't take their eyes off of, and they have to look it up and see what they're looking at. And that, as you know, is the first step of becoming a bird watcher. Sometimes we call that falling into bird watching. Cardinals are a dimorphic species, so you can tell the male and the female apart from their plumage. The male being the brilliant red, the female a warm brown. Both have a nice crest, a black face, and the adults have red beaks. The juveniles have black beaks in the spring, and then they gradually turn red throughout the summer. This video is a compilation of all the northern cardinals that like to hang out in the bird garden and feed and bathe, perch and sing. And I think you're going to enjoy it, whether you're studying cardinals and you want to try to pick out the adults from the juveniles, the males from the females. You just want to relax and have a time of peace and enjoy communing with nature. This is the video for you. If you've got cats, definitely let your cats watch this video. Lots of close-up bird species they may recognize. One odd fact about the cardinal is during the breeding season, they're so ramped up on hormones they will readily attack a mirrored image of themselves. Car mirrors, window reflections, they go nuts over seeing their own reflection. Usually that tapers off at the end of the breeding season. The oldest northern cardinal ever recorded was a female. She was 15 years and 9 months old when she was found in Pennsylvania, and we have bird banding records to thank for that data. I hope you enjoy this video. If you've got a comment or a question about the northern cardinals, please let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and share it with someone else you think that might enjoy watching birds. If you like to improve your life by having your blood pressure go down, healing by communing with nature, maybe you're doing some research, you want to learn more about the northern cardinal, you can learn something from these birds by watching this video and their habits and behavior. So happy to provide it for you. If you've not subscribed to the Bird Garden YouTube channel and you enjoy watching birds, especially attracting them to your backyard, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We're uploading content nearly every day, always something fresh, something interesting, occasionally something educational. If you've got a request for the type of bird content you'd like to see, leave it in the comment below. We read those things. Thanks for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. In the meantime, enjoy these cardinals.